Good to go. Okay, so very exciting today. I've got Sam and Helen with me. We're missing Marnie because she couldn't be here today. But we've got our first print copies of the A Perfectly Paranormal anthology series. So I've got Valentine.
I've got Halloween.
I
got Easter.
And we're very excited to open them for you. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, let's open. Oh, can't wait to see these babies.
You are speedy.
Little practice lately. I've had a few boxes. So yes, all the stuffing. Oh, look at that.
Stuff everywhere.
It's so beautiful. All right, I'll wait for you guys to be ready to hold one up. Turn around.
It's so pretty.
Turn around and ready, spaghetti. Let's show.
Yay! They look so cool.
They do, don't they? What an amazing cover, Sam.
I know. If only I knew somebody who could do that kind of thing.
Oh, wow. It's amazing. Sam did the covers. Aren't they beautiful? They look fantastic.
They do. They turn out super
so
cool.
Happy to be holding these in our hands at this time. I'm going to be at the APPA conference, the APPA signing at the Romance Writers of Australia conference in August, and I will have copies of these to buy and to sign. I'm going to get Sam and Helen, and I'll grab Marnie too to sign their individual books as well in these copies. So if you come along to that, there you will have copies signed by all of us. So lots of fun. Yep. All right, well, let's get to signing.
Yes.
See you later.
Bye, everyone.